Hi, this is Fiorella, like Cinderella, from anyhousecleaning.com. I remember doing this job, and this is called a pure water-fed window cleaning. I remember doing this job for a builder, and they paint all the house from the outside, but the windows I couldn't open from the inside, so I had to clean it from the patio, from the outside. And I had to use our system of water-fed and wet gel brushes and this special tool that is to remove the paint from the glass. It's called the window scraper. This blade is especially because it's not a regular blade that you can find in Home Depot. It's made by carbon. It's really fine and it won't damage the surface. Let's see right there how I remove the paint. And it was an old paint I stick on the surface of the glass when they paint the house. So a regular housekeeper won't do that kind of job. Instead of hiring a special equipment or a special team of just window cleaning, you can hire us. We do pretty much everything about new construction or post-remodeling cleaning services. We can clean all inside the house, remove the fine dust, and even clean the windows in and out. Everything depends on your budget. We have plenty of experience. We are local. We are located in Davenport, Florida, and we serve Orlando, Dr. Phillips, Champions Gate, Lakeland, Tampa, things like that. I see a little bit more of paint in that corner, so I'm removing the paint, and then I follow with the good rinsing with our pure water spots right there with our paw. I was so happy to do this job with really good success. You can call us at 407-572-4118 for all our new homeowners, builders, or realtors. Thank you for watching us. Bye. The reason to do this video is to show you that we have plenty of experience. We have a lot of videos on YouTube how we clean windows, residential and commercial, and this is some photos of our previous clients. Thank you for watching again. Our telephone number 407-572-4118.